So when people mention German power, German muscle, I think of two things: a BMW M5 competition and a Mercedes-AMG E63s I. Guys, I just got America's cheapest AMG E63s. She has 800 horsepower within a front-end collision. Guys, today we're taking delivery of every part that we need. For those who watched the part one, we actually picked up this car in Rhode Island. Now we have everything in stock. Guys, this is, we got a radiator axle, we got a knuckle, obviously it's a suspension, but we're about to take delivery right now from our transporter company of everything we need. All the body parts, headlights, absolutely everything. It's gonna be actually sick.
Oh my gosh. Dude, I've been waiting a month and a half for this package. I feel like a kid on Christmas. Let's go, guys. I think the wrapping got a little destroyed, huh? Well, I think these are these are bumpers probably, right? Nice. All right, cool. And then also we got all the stuff back there. We're gonna unload that in a second. Oh my God, it's like all unraveled and stuff. Well, I think, like I said, that's the bumpers and stuff. We got all the coolers and everything coming out.
So we just got the parts down, my friend Colin and my brother Dylan. And guys, look at this packaging. I'm guessing, so he also sent out 2 front bumpers. He had a crashed one and then an OEM one. So I'm thinking both of the bumpers are in this, obviously. The fender, you can tell this little area right here is pretty messed up, but I hope that fender's okay. And guys, this is the fun part right here. This is all of my coolers, guys. This is what's gonna make this car run today. I've been waiting a month and a half for this. It's gonna be so sick. So this car is straight pipes, downpipe and tune, 800 horsepower. It's gonna be unbelievable. Nice V8. These Mercedes love making their V8s very, very reliable, unlike BMW. Yeah, so off the rip, that's actually the steering rack. And seeing some damage over here.
Bumper did actually get a few scrapes, but the fender is what's going to worry me the most. Dents and stuff is going to need some body work.
The bumper looks fine, but I can't complain. Got these parts for 50% off, guys, so it is what it is. We got obviously 2 bumpers, fender, carbon ceramic rotor. We got all of our coolers. These are actually going on first because I'm getting this car running today.
And when I say I'm getting this car running today, I mean we are getting this car running today. I've been waiting for so long.
Yeah, let's start putting this thing together. So we just actually put the headlight on. Let's go see if this thing works. And it does, bro. We didn't have to even code these things. They look so good. Oh my God. All right, so now what we're actually gonna do is we're gonna lift up this car a little bit. We're gonna try doing some coolers first. Then we're gonna move over to suspension. Oh boy, the caliper is hanging on by a wire. What I'm doing now is actually replacing this auxiliary radiator. Right, so this car is kind of high up in the air right now, but we have a line right here. I already disconnected the clip. That's all, and we have 2 plastic clips we're gonna have to undo on this. There we go. Oh boy. Oh boy. That's not shit. I already got this side undone, and now it's looking like we got more clips. Wow. All right, so this thing actually looks like it's about to come out. Oh, there we go. Oh my gosh, look at that. There's like dead mice in there and stuff. Oh, that's a spider too, a big dead one. It's a tarantula. Well, yeah, that radiator, look at that. It's definitely not gonna hold a coolant, so let's throw that away. Let's put the new one on. This is the new one. Look how nicey nice. Oh boy. A lot of stuff in the way when you're putting in these auxiliary radiators. Obviously got all the hoses and stuff. Got the clips. All right, let's push that in. Nice. Nice. That's good. All right, look at that. That thing's on there nice. So now we're gonna go. Can you be quiet? We're gonna do the lower oil cooler, side coolers. All right, guys, let's do it. Yeah, I don't know. This oil line got absolutely smoked in the accident. We're gonna change that out real quick. But guys, my apologies with the mic. I don't know. My videos, usually I don't have a mic at all, but this mic sucks, dude, because I don't know. It just sounds so bad. Like this clip. Holy shit, that clip just flew across the room. Yeah, again, apologies for the mic, guys. Next time will be better. Done, huh? There we go. Dude, look at this. Got absolutely smoked. There's nothing flowing through there, I'll say that. All right, nice. Now we got I think this goes over to the auxiliary cooler over here, so not bad. Okay, let's jump to more.
Oh, guys, also, I don't know if you can see, but right over here, we got carbon fiber fenders for the 335i build we're doing. All right, now we're actually putting the lower oil cooler on. Man, this design is so weird. I can't even really see that. Oh, there we go. That's clipped in nice. That is clipped in nice too. Oh, it doesn't even have a clip on here. We're gonna need a clip for that real quick. All right, so now that we have a clip, let's put that in real quick. Thing goes this way. Yeah, there we go. All right, let's put that right there. I think this is the right spot. Let's hope. Ow! Damn, that pinched me. Nice, so that side's good. Now it's time to do this side. That, like that. What the fuck? For my face to look like this when I'm working on things, you know it's hard. Basically, the accident caused a piece of plastic to get stuck into the connection port, and it was brutal to get out. All right, so the women are actually hungry. We're gonna go grab some lunch. Guys, we got the new radiator. But yeah, I'm so excited. When we get back, we're getting that suspension on and these coolers. And, oh, yo! And then we're getting some other stuff done on it. All right, so we just got back from lunch, and now we're gonna be putting this additional radiator on. Oh my God, it's like 10 radiators on this car, but like this. So I'm putting in the last little bit of coolers and everything, and there's honestly a feeling inside me that's kind of scared because we don't know if this car runs or not. We don't know how this engine sounds. We don't know how any of it is. I'm just hoping to God that everything's gonna be fine. I'm sure it will, but who knows? Truly, who knows? I'm putting this oil cooler on right now, and now it's time for this oil cooler. We're probably actually gonna cut to a time lapse because these lines, I just had to de-kink that a little bit. It's kind of messed up, but let's jump to a time lapse. And just like that, guys, we got all the front coolers on. Yeah, so far so good. So we are actually doing the rack and pinion right now. You know, one of these bolts have to go like that up there. Oh, this is gonna be horrible by myself. I'm rewatching the video, kind of just laughing at myself. It was so awkward to hold, and I did do it by myself, so congrats to me, but we do eventually get it in. Perfect. I also forgot, so look at that. That wire is pretty kinked. I'm gonna have to get all new oil lines. These run actually through the transmission, but I'm not gonna worry about that right now. I'm just trying to start the car. Let's put that guy in there. That plug goes right in there also. And so we actually have the steering rack all done other than this bolt, and then I need to tighten this one. So let me get to doing that. I'm gonna actually skip over for you guys. So I don't have to waste your time and see that. But what we're gonna be doing next is connecting our suspension on each side. Like that, the rack and pinion is all set up. We got it connected over there, and now we're doing this side. But hey, we're starting off with this nice brand new axle from China. And yeah, let's do it. Unfortunately, I was never able to actually get the axle all the way in. It was just so much struggling. And as you can see right there, it wasn't in the differential anymore. So we're gonna skip by this. This car is kicking my ass today. I've done a lot already, but we're gonna keep on pushing. I think we should fill this thing up with some oil. So let's do that. And just like that, we are full of oil. The only thing, guys, is I was on vacation, and look at the mold, man. But anyways, shits and giggles, let's see what happens. I do need to prime the oil system, but I just want to see because power steering should be all connected. Let's see if anything happens. What the hell is all that? Oh my God, all that dust is from my hand. Yeah, nothing, because, oh shit. Oh my God. Holy shit, it just started. You guys have seen that, right? The car just started. But we're gonna save this full startup for when we prime the oil system. Much as I want to see this full straight pipe, dual H pipe, and catless downpipe start up right now, I really don't. Because first, we don't have oil flowing through our brand new oil coolers. And second off, that's really why. We do not want to start this car yet. I'm gonna prime this system real quick. Also, it felt like when I put my foot in the brakes a lot more, it wanted to do it. So that means we're not getting enough brake pressure to actually start the car. Let's fix those brakes real quick. Let's prime that oil thing, and then we're starting this bitch up, bro. I'm so excited. All right, yes, this thing did just fire up. There's a lot of things that worry me. First, this car's been sitting with no oil for a year and a half. This car was crashed. It ripped apart all of these oil coolers, all the coolers in general, all the electrical stuff. There's a few things that are on my mind. But okay, yes, it starts, whatever. Let's say there's air bubbles in the system because there was no oil. Boom, you slip a rod bearing, you get a little bit of metal in the oil. Right now, I mean, it looks fine. It started up, it ran healthy for half a second, but we're gonna really start this thing up and let it run for a little bit. But man, I mean, it's so fucking mosquitoes. It's so just like nerve wracking when you think about like gambling a $10,000-$15,000 engine. It's crazy. It truly is. I would have never seen. I'm a BMW guy. This car is so badass. So I'm so excited. Yeah, let's prime these oil systems and see if we can get this thing going. Man, I want to rev the shit out of this thing today. I know the previous owner sent me a video of it and it shoots flame balls. So let's do it. Do this. So these struts are not light. Somehow put that up there. Boom, just like that. All right. Oh my God, bro! I can't get anything done. Anyways, I just got the strut fully in. Now I'm gonna get this whole knuckle sitting there with the brake rotor on it. So like that. So we actually have everything together right now, just enough for it to start where we get some brake pressure. I think what we're gonna do now is find out how to disable either spark or fuel on this thing so we can prime it. So yeah. All right, guys, ready? She's gonna start. Oh, come on. Let's go! I knew it! I just primed the whole oil system. Oh my God, it sounds so good! Yahoo! It sounds like it's running pretty good. The black boost. Let's go. Idle down nice. Look at all the moisture. This thing hasn't ran in a year and a half. Dude, it sounds nasty, bro. A little rev. Wow, it's crispy, bro. Let's go. Bro, resurrecting this car, dude. I threw the bumper on there because I just had to. But it honestly sounds like it's alive, bro. Holy shit! All right, Colin's gonna give it a nice little rev. Woohoo!
And right here, you're gonna hear the excitement in my voice. We just found out that this car has race mode.
And we just put it in race mode! Put it in race! Oh shit! Oh my God! Gunshots! It has race mode! Woo! All right, guys, I think that's gonna be end of this video, but hey, unbelievable. I can't believe we got this car going today, man. It's definitely gonna be a fun process. Got the suspension all going back together. Just draining the oil, doing a nice little oil change to it. But guys, this is sick. Please like and subscribe. A little bit of support goes a long way. But see you guys in the next video. Thanks.